Watch. Watch. Play. Play. School. School. Watch. Watch. Play. Play. School. School. Hey, Misha.
Hey, Becky, how you doing?
Good, and you?
I'm doing good. Is it phonogram time?
It's phonograms time.
Oh,
An alphabet you didn't know. An alphabet you didn't know that OW has two sounds.
Wait, no. It has one sound.
Mhm,
It has one sound.
So it's OW like in cow,
Ow.
ow,
For cow, okay.
and then the O as in grow.
Oh, wow.
Do you see they both have OW? But in cow, ow, grow, O.
Yeah, we don't say growl.
No, we don't. No.
Okay.
People would look at you a little funny if you said
Ow, ow.
But, yeah.
Ow, oh. Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
so.
That goes along with our next phonogram, an alphabet. You didn't know this. That is ow, o, oo,
Huh?
Okay, it's tricky. So let's say it together. Ow, o, oo,
Ow, O, oo. That's a lot to remember.
Yes.
Ow, O, oo, Okay.
4 sounds. Ow, o, oo, And the first
Okay.
sound is ow, like for out
Oh.
or shout.
Out.
Out.
Yes. Ow.
Ow,
Okay.
ow, ow. O. O is like for 4, like the number 4. O.
4.
See?
Oh.
That's how we spell 4.
Okay.
O. We don't say ow or nobody says it that way. It's 4. We say the O sound. Ow, O.
Mhm.
The third sound is oo, like in you.
Oh yeah, I never noticed that. Oh, you.
Mhm.
Oh yeah.
Okay, I said there's 4 sounds.
Yeah.
Ow, o, oo, like for trouble. Trouble.
That's trouble. That's trouble.
And there's even a secret silent E at the end. I love that.
Interesting.
All right.
I hope you know now.
I think we have. Until next time.